This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Dow Component Home Depot is trading higher by less than 1% after beating Q4 top and bottom line estimates. Looking back, a very mild uptrend topped out right around the 248 level in February, just ahead of that deep pandemic decline that dropped the stock to a multi-year low. It recovered in a V-shaped pattern, consolidated for a couple of months, and then took off in a one-legged rally up to the 290 level, 295 level in August. That posted this very long and grindy bull flag pattern that found support finally on the 50-week moving average. Took off in two strong rally waves, one here and one here with this ascending triangle in between. Well, that's all she wrote right up here around 420. As you can see, we have this little double top right here that broke down in January, landing right back on that 50-week moving average. Now, that was about the third week of January. We're still testing it, and this is right around, we closed at 346 on Friday. The moving average is right at 344, and this morning we're trading at 348. So we won't really clear this pattern until we clear this bar up here, and that'll take 375. So there's still a lot of pressure on the stock, so it's a very dangerous one to buy. Looking down here, you can see the weekly is down at the oversold level. That's kind of good. We did that here in 2018, but we still headed lower. We did that here in 2019. Didn't make much progress. We did it here in June, and in June it was a pretty good deal. We got up to here, then we got up to here. So we have that working. Now, opposing that, if you go back even further to a monthly, you can see that we have this very active sell cycle. And when you have an active sell cycle, especially when the two lines are starting to stretch from each other through the middle, that's called no holds barred. That means that bears are in control under the surface. So now we have to watch out for, going back to this pattern here, we have to watch out for a breakdown of this level fueled by that longer term impulse. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to happen here. We could have a weekly bounce that takes us back up, but I don't think we're quite done with the 50-week moving average. So I think you have to really watch as an investor, because a breakdown of this level could produce that first 100% retracement down to the 300 level, and we haven't really had a 100% retracement of a rally or sell-off since back here in 2020.